What's going on, guys? We're back at it again, and today we're going to take care of this caulking mess right here. Okay, so you see these cracks right here? We're going to take this all out and fix it up and make it look really good. Okay, and over here too, see, we got to dig this caulk out and replace it. So we're going to get some stuff from Home Depot and back at you. Here we are at Home Depot. This is the caulk we're going to use right here. Quick Seal. It's made by DAP and it's only $3.98. Let's bring it back. Alright, we're going to pick up this little tool here. It's a 4-in-1 sliding caulk tool. It's $4.97 and it helps remove and install caulking. Alright, 4-in-1 caulking tool. Alright, so we'll bring this back. Check it out. Alright, so here's everything we got from Home Depot. We got the tool right here, 4-in-1, and we got a tube of caulk, DAP Quick Seal, and a razor blade. Alright, this stuff's real small. We're just going to do this little general area right here, so it's all we need. We're not doing the whole house, otherwise we get a tube of caulk for the caulk gun. And we're going to try this tool out. Let's see how it goes. Alright, well hopefully you can see pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Alright. Alright, now this tool is supposed to do a little bit of everything. Remove and install. So this piece right here is going to help us remove it. And the other piece here will help us install. So we'll look at the instructions real quick. Alright, here we go. So we can push or pull all caulk to remove. And we're going to go with this one right here. And so that's pulled back just like you see here. Okay. And we're going to see how this works out. Give it a shot here. We're going to get up close. Alright, let's focus. There we go. Alright, first off we got a problem. As you can see, we can't really fit in this corner. Okay, so that's what this is for. Just come in here and then just cut that right on out of there. Okay. Man. Alright, there we go. Now we should be able to get this tool in there. Okay. Alright, let's see. Pushing pretty hard on there. I don't know about this tool here, guys. It might be better to install it with, but removing it, not the greatest. Pretty much a plastic scraper. Not really much bite. Alright, if anybody knows, a better way than this little tool here, let me know down in the comments below. But I like this right here, a good old razor knife. We can get in there pretty good. Remove all this old stuff. Okay. Alright, let me get y'all a better angle of that real quick. Alright, so this razor blade is going to do the right job. Go down from the top. Get it cut like that. Okay, don't cut into the material. And just go nice. Alright, and then we can go from the bottom this way. See all that old stuff coming out of there already? Look at that. Look at that. That's good. Alright, let's try this thing here again. Alright, let's see. Well, it looks cool, huh? But it ain't really doing a good job. So hopefully it does a good job putting it in there. We'll see. I don't know, maybe that's what it takes, you know. Alright, so I'm just you see, I'm just going back and forth with it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go back to right here. And then that should be good enough for what we're doing. Now that did good after I cut it. Okay, so let's try that again. That piece there. There we go. See? That did pretty good. Alright. Alright, so see, we got this all opened up now. We'll go all the way to right here in the middle. Okay, this is a linoleum floor here. So we're gonna go right to here. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna put the caulk down. All right, so let me reposition and we'll be right back. All right, so we got this tube right here from our Home Depot. All right, it has this, comes with this little cap here. You know, you just take the cap off. Now it shows you ways to cut it, okay? So you can cut it basically at an angle. You wanna cut it nice. Right here, okay? All right, there we go, see that? All right, so we got the tip cut right there, see that? And I went and I got a wet towel, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and run this bead quick right to here, okay? All right, and don't forget, we have this here. So let's see how this right here, we can use as an application device. All right, here we go. All right, we got remove smooth, fresh caulk. Okay, so it looks like it's just this piece right here. Okay, so let's see, would it work this way or this way? I'm not sure. We'll have to figure this one out. It's got a little indent there, and then it's kind of smooth here, but we'll see what happens. Who knows? I might be a pro at this and run this bead perfect. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. You can see this going in pretty thick. Getting all the surfaces covered. All right, all the surfaces covered up. Steady pressure. Steady pressure. Here we go. all the way here. All right, now you can see what we got. All right, and what we're gonna do is use this little tool now. So the tool goes here, and that's it right there. All right, so that's it. Did you see that? Got the tool. All right. Get the tool wiped off, clean it, keep the tool clean. I'll try this back end of it. All right, I think that's pretty good. All right, well, I noticed we got a little something right here. All right, a little something right there. And a little something right here. Okay. So let's put a little more and try one more time. Same thing, steady pressure. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So normally, I would never use a little tool like that. Just my finger. I'm gonna show you the finger way. All right, here we go, my finger. Do like that, wipe the excess. Wipe the excess, see that? Maybe that's all you need is your finger. You know? Maybe that's all you need is a finger there. You know, just a little finger. So, yeah, I kind of like the way the finger went on better. You know, we get in there and clean all that up, but that's pretty much it. And let's say you don't like all this right here, right? Just wipe it off. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And this tool, I don't know, I'd say pass on this tool. I mean, unless somebody knows a better way to use this thing, I would pass. I would not suggest this tool, okay? What I would suggest is just get you a nice razor knife and use your finger. Comes out better. The tools, I don't know, maybe for a different situation, but for this application, I'm gonna have to go with no on this anvil caulking tool. So thank you, like, subscribe, and share.